Hello everyone, my name is Rian Joyce Mabag. Today, let's talk about the multimedia and ICT, two forces changing how we live, work, and play. Let's start with multimedia. Multimedia is simply using different things together to tell a story or share information. Think pictures, videos, music, and words all working together. Additionally, multimedia is about combining different forms of media to create a more impactful message. And now the ICT, Information Communication Technology, provides the backbone for multimedia. It encompasses the technologies that allow us to create, store, access, and share information. These include the internet, computer, mobile devices, software, and network. Without ICT, multimedia would simply not be possible. So multimedia is what we see and hear, and ICT is what it makes happen. They work together to make things fun, interesting, and informative. So multimedia and ICT are big parts of our lives. Thank you for watching.